this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we can see we do get a dual exhaust. You got a tow hitch, rear park sensing with backup camera. We get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards. Side view camera with trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we get a black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. You got cup holders and storage, two USB-C's, rear outlets, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up your seats for a nice split folding rear bench seat for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Got your auto stop auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.2 kilometers. Got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at this screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look at the vehicle over here, we do get a collapsible gear shift, tons of storage outlets, cup holders, your center console with tons of storage. You do get your four-wheel drive mounts, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop, and we do get our dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, and above me we do get our features for our powered rear window opener. You got your park sensing, you can turn on or off, hazards and traction, media controls with a 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at the vehicle here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth capabilities with Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF02682, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.